Every time you made a wish on a dandelion puffball, you were part of something way bigger than you ever realized. Stick around. You're about to see this humble flower in a whole new light. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. You're in for a treat today. Today's episode is about a plant you probably know very well, maybe too well. Some people see it as a pesky invader in their lawns. But once you really get to know it, you'll realize it's actually an unsung hero of nature. I'm talking about the amazing dandelion. Yep. That bright, sunny little flower popping up through sidewalks and gardens has a lot more going for it than meets the eye. So whether you're curious about herbal remedies, companion planting, or you just love learning weird, wonderful facts about nature, stay tuned, because today we're giving the dandelion its well-deserved spotlight. Okay, time to bust some myths. Because once you know the facts about dandelions, you'll never look at them the same way again. Myth number 1. Dandelions are just weeds. Wrong. Dandelions are vital players in the ecosystem, and even have superpowers when it comes to human health and farming. First off, dandelions are among the earliest bloomers in spring. When there's literally nothing else around for hungry bees and butterflies, dandelions step up. Their golden flowers are loaded with sweet nectar and rich pollen, exactly what pollinators need after a long winter sleep. Some studies show that a lack of early blooming plants directly impacts bee colony health later in the season. So a simple patch of dandelions can literally help save the bees. And it's not just about bees. Dandelions also attract ladybugs, hoverflies, and lacewings, nature's pest control squad. So if you hate aphids eating your roses, thank a dandelion for recruiting backup. Let's talk about what's happening underground, because dandelions have a secret weapon, their taproot. This root can grow over a foot deep. Imagine a living drill that breaks up hard, compacted soil, helping air and water get to other plants' roots. Even better, the taproot pulls up nutrients from deep underground, minerals like calcium and potassium, making the surface soil richer and healthier over time. In organic farming, dandelions are sometimes intentionally allowed to grow to rehabilitate over-farmed land. Nature doing the heavy lifting. Now, this is where it gets delicious. Did you know you can eat almost every part of a dandelion? Young leaves are tender and packed with vitamins A, C and K, calcium and iron. Toss them raw in a salad or salt them like spinach with a little garlic. Chef's kiss. Flowers. Bright and slightly sweet, they make amazing jelly, fritters, and even wine. Yes, dandelion wine is a thing, and it's been celebrated for centuries. Dried, roasted dandelion roots make a caffeine-free coffee substitute. Plus, they're full of antioxidants and known for supporting liver health. Ancient cultures believed that dandelions could purify the blood, strengthen digestion, and promote youthful skin. Beauty and health, straight from your backyard. Tell me, have you ever tried a dandelion dish? Drop a comment if you have, or if you want me to do a full dandelion recipe video. Myth number 2. Dandelions are bad for your lawn. Okay, if you're after the perfect suburban lawn, uniform green. No surprises. Sure, you might not love dandelions, But if you care about a healthier, more eco-friendly garden that buzzes with life, dandelions are your besties. Dandelions actually build resilience in ecosystems. Their seeds, those magical little puffballs we all made wishes on as kids, spread naturally and help colonize disturbed or damaged lands. After wildfires, dandelions are often among the first plants to return, stabilizing the soil, preventing erosion, and preparing the ground for new plant life to take root. They're like the emergency response team of the plant world. So the next time you see a dandelion peeking up in your garden, sidewalk, or backyard, don't just think, ugh, a weed. Think, hello, tiny eco-warrior. Supporting pollinators, feeding insects, enriching soil, healing landscapes, nourishing humans. Dandelions are doing it all, while asking for nothing in return. Dandelions are proof that sometimes the most overlooked things are the most important. They remind us that resilience, beauty, and generosity often come in humble packages. Thanks for sticking around and celebrating the wild beauty of dandelions with me. If you had fun, hit that subscribe button. Let's grow this little community together. And hey, if you're feeling curious, check out this next video. There's so much more green magic to explore. Got a favorite dandelion memory or a cool recipe? Drop it in the comments. I love hearing from you. Until next time, stay curious, stay wild, and keep blooming.